So, Arush, what about research paper? Because it's crucial in college application. There are many students, like mostly students, they have some research. So, what about research papers?
So I would say research papers are frankly quite important.
Yeah,
Now, research papers, there are two ways that you can pursue this. You can either do an individual research,
yeah,
which tends to be a little more difficult for students because, I mean, most Indian, what do you say, education institutions don't offer
well,
like research-based education, which is perfectly fine. Like
okay,
ISC, CBSE doesn't have that. IB tends to have a lot
yeah,
more
research,
research-driven projects. Having said that, research projects, I'd say either go in individually. For that, you will have to learn how to do professional
yeah,
research. That could be something like secondary research, primary research, how to collect
I
data,
like
how
that.
to also write the data. Because
Yeah,
it's very important in research papers not to include your personal bias.
yeah,
So that is where a lot of new researchers struggle.
yeah,
I would say for that, your best bet is
yeah,
to either go for a professor who
professor.
could help you in that research or whose research you could help with, which is
Yeah,
usually what happens.
usually what?
This works really well because either you can reach out to a school teacher.
Yeah,
Most school teachers have or have done something similar in their college
college
experience in
academy.
that particular field of interest.
Yeah,
So they would have some level of knowledge on how to write research
right, research
papers.
papers.
Or you could reach out to a professor. Now, these could be at like local universities. Like if you're in Delhi, you could reach out to any DU professor. You could reach out to an IIT
I,
professor. You could reach out to any other smaller universities professor as well.
yeah,
The professor's university is really not that big a criteria in the whole process. Um, it's just to also, so there are two kind of
yeah,
professionals who can help you with
professionals.
this.
Yeah,
One is a professor or a
yeah,
teacher,
teacher.
and the other is a mentor,
Yeah,
who is somebody who can just verify your
yeah,
information as a credible
credible.
professional
Professor.
if you've written the paper yourself.
Yeah,
Now, for these kind of individuals, again, you can reach out to industry professionals,
yes,
you can reach out to, like I said, professors,
pro-
teachers, anybody else who is in the field, who has been working in the field for a couple of years, who has some professional knowledge and
yeah,
professional certified knowledge, I would say,
yeah,
in the field. Um, a lot of programs also exist for
yeah,
research. So, for example, you could do like the Pioneer program, you
pioneer
could do
program.
Lumiere. These also tend to be very
Yeah,
heavily funded. So
yeah,
they are usually open with their
y-
scholarship process as well. Like Lumiere, I know is very good
yeah,
on
like,
scholarship.
yeah, yeah, started by Stanford alumni,
No, Harvard,
Harvard
actually.
alumni.
Yeah.
Yeah, Harvard.
So,
Yeah,
I think Pioneer is a little more difficult to get into,
yeah,
but also very exceptional program because again, you
program.
get to work with
Yeah,
professors. So, having said that, I did three research papers. I did not have any professor backing me up
yeah,
per se. I did them on my own because I learned through YouTube and all
yeah,
this process of how to write research papers. Again, if you do things on your own, perfectly fine.
perfectly
In
fine.
fact, better, I would
Better,
say.
yeah,
So, uh, like I did all of my papers on my own. First paper took me about 3 months because I had to identify how to write it.
yeah,
I wrote my paper on the, as a, like a analysis of the UDISC report,
yes,
which sort of, I'm just giving an example here. So it was basically to analyze the UDISC report and
yeah,
tell which factors in the whole, what do you say, rural ecosystem,
ecosystem.
rural education ecosystem play the largest criteria in determining student success rates. So for that, I'm just giving an example again. You factors which you should take into account are things like how do you define success rate, right? How do you define the kind of factors? Which factors are you taking? Which factors are you not?
Yeah,
Every step of the way, you have to identify,
I think.
have I involved any personal bias in this research? If not, yes, then go back to the drawing board,
Yeah,
figure out how you're going to do this again. Your first research will take very, very long.
very
Your second research shorter
short.
and shorter because you will, I mean, this is not just to say that write a shorter research paper.
Yeah.
This is to say that now once you've understood the process of understanding how to write a professional research paper, you should be easier on that front on how to
Yeah,
do secondary, primary research, how to collate data, how to then present the data, and also how the kind of graphs to add,
yeah,
all that stuff. Usually for high schoolers, it's a little difficult. I took help from certain professionals in the field through LinkedIn connections and whatnot,
yeah,
who really helped me with the whole process of like verifying my data,
yeah,
and more so from the aspect of, okay, is this paper written properly as a paper? So, do that as well. Um, I will say, as far as publishing goes, there are, of course, you can self-publish, which is essentially that you go to a journal and you say, okay, hey, I've written this paper, please review it for me and
yeah,
and publish it. This tends to work. you don't have to go to super difficult journals. You can
Okay.
go to journals which are relatively easy to get
Easier
into.
to get.
Because as high schoolers,
Yeah.
what you will realize is that some of the hyper professionalized journals that you'll see tend to only cater to undergraduate and not even undergraduate, like professional PhD
Yes,
or
yeah.
professors, right?
Professors. Yeah, yeah.
Even
Exactly.
undergraduate journals are limited and high school journals are further limited.
Further limits.
So I would say don't necessarily target the top journals.
Yeah.
You can try for sure,
Yeah.
but out of integrity, also do not apply to more than one journal at a time because it's not right in case
Right.
one journal accepts the other journals
Yeah.
as pending. That is a principle
Principle.
should not one should not pursue.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
my
so
view on research.
research paper. So research paper are crucial. And if you need any help in research paper, so just DM me or him. So we will try to help you because the research paper process is extremely crucial and you will find lots of problems in publishing and duration. So thank you, Tarush, for your like research paper guide.